Hi
guys, welcome to our channel, Silver Fanatic.
Fanatic.
Okay guys, today's video
It's another unboxing.
it's obvious guys, it's that excitement time.
Yes,
We are very excited. Let's get to it guys.
Adding more ounces.
Yes guys,
Or gold, you never know.
We'll see.
Or platinum.
Maybe it's platinum, eh?
Yeah.
Hopefully, I wish it could be platinum. Yeah, because we're looking for that.
Yeah.
Now. We really are looking for that, guys. Eh?
You're on the watch.
Wanna look out, guys, for that one.
Those one of those packets.
Those lovely packets, guys. Okay, it's nice to unbox these ones because you can reuse them. Let me just show it, guys. This is the one. You can reuse these ones.
Don't cut.
Hey, the sidekick before it cuts me. Okay, guys. Let's see what's inside here, guys. Okay. I think what we're looking for.
It's inside.
It's what's inside here. That's what we're looking for. Let's put that aside. Okay. All right, guys. Maybe it's platinum. So much security on the packet. Okay, let's cut here. Let's see, guys. Cut this side and cut this side. Okay.
Right. Let's see. I think that's gonna open now.
Open it, guys. Yeah, it's going to open now. Let's see what we have. What is it? Hey. So small. Came in a capsule. That I love, guys. It's a 110, guys.
Beautiful.
2021, guys. It's a surprise. We never knew we were going to get the 2021.
How nice.
But we did. Very nice 110, guys. Gold.
2021 coins are coming. I can see.
They're coming, guys. We did left a clue what we were about to unbox there, guys.
Yeah.
There was a clue.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. Sneak peek was there.
Kruger.
Paul Kruger, guys, at the back as always, guys. Okay.
I didn't expect 2021. I thought it was gonna be 2020.
Yeah, guys. We don't mind.
With the price that we bought with.
It was fairly cheap, guys. We were really surprised. Maybe we thought it was gonna be those old ones. Old years, guys. We were really surprised when we saw it's a 2021 because we thought it was a 2020 or older years. Okay, guys. Very nice coin, guys. Let's put it where it belongs. I'll put it here first, and then we'll put it where it belongs, guys.
Yes.
This is where it belongs, guys. It will make number
7. Here we go.
It will make number 7, guys. 2, 4, 6, 7. Yes, it will make number 7, guys. Okay, let's put it where it belongs in this tube, guys.
Still got more to go.
Yeah, still got more to go, guys. There it is inside there. Okay, now we have 7
gold
110 ounce, guys. Okay, we have 7 of them, guys. As we mentioned, the tube, guys, that whenever a tube gets full, a silver tube gets full, we buy 2 110 gold, guys. Okay, so this one was fairly cheap, and then we found that this tube was coming along, guys. We did an unboxing, guys, of those ones, guys. If you haven't seen the video, guys, go watch it. So you'll understand
one video
better. Yes, guys.
Down this.
Behind, guys. Okay, it's a kangaroo tube, guys. So since we've seen that it's coming along, we said no. Okay,
we can just break it with the gold.
Yeah, we can buy the gold because we said in our video, guys, that
the tube
a tube
and a gold.
whenever we fill a tube, guys, whenever we fill a silver tube, we need to get 2 110 gold, guys. Okay.
Yes.
So we saw that we are approaching halfway. You say, okay, no, it's fine. We get a 110 gold for the tube, because we said whenever we fill a tube, we get 2 110 gold, guys. Okay.
Yes.
So we saw we're about halfway. We can get one, and then when it's full, we get another 110, guys, for the tube. So this is the tube, guys. It's getting there as well. It's the kangaroo tube. Okay.
And
all
the
right.
gold was on special. We couldn't just leave it here.
Yes, guys, it was on special. So
we're not bound by anything.
No. So we're still continuing
The
with the strategy, guys, that we mentioned on our video. One of the videos that we
New Year's
did.
resolution.
A strategy, yes, guys. Okay. I say I must show this wonderful piece.
Couldn't get enough.
I said I must show the slab, guys.
I think we need
It's
to find another one, because
wonderful
this
piece.
one is gonna be our playful one. We need to find another one.
We need to find another one, guys. This slab really took us by surprise. It really did took us by surprise, guys. The way it was so beautiful.
We didn't expect.
We really did not expect it to be this gorgeous. Okay, all right, guys. I think
that's it.
Today's video is just about that, guys.
Putting tubes and unboxing one gold.
And then putting a tube together, guys.
Yes.
Showing that we're still moving towards our strategy, guys, that we mentioned that for this year. A tube and two 110, guys.
Yes.
All right. Okay, guys. I would like to thank our subscribers, guys.
Yes.
I'd like to say thank you so much for your comment, your support.
It's helping us.
It's really helping us, guys. It's motivational, guys. We really love it, guys. Whenever you answer your comments,
it motivates.
We learn from them a lot, guys. Okay.
Yes.
So we like to say thank you, guys. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.